Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on the confirmation of the nomination of Dr. Aminu Yusuf as chairman, Honorable Dr. Kibu Joseph Haruna and Tonga Betara Bularafa, representing Nasarawa and Yobe states respectively, for appointment as chairman and then commissioners in the National Population Commission. The Senate at the plenary, based on the powers conferred on it on Section 1541 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, as well as the Senate Rules of 2023 as amended, referred the two sets of nominations to the Senate Committee on National Identity Card and Population for further legislative actions. In the report, the committee membership is listed, and the committee resolved to seek the following documents in respect of the three nominees: their curriculum vitae, their tax clearance certificate, code of conduct clearance certificate, police report, Department of State Security Service. On Tuesday, the 14th October 2025, the nominees appeared before the committee for the screening. They are Dr. Aminu Yusuf, Niger State Chairman, Dr. Kibu Joseph Haruna, Nasarawa State Commissioner, Tonga Betara Bularafa, Yobe State Commissioner. The committee members resolved to admit the nominees one after the other. The screening exercise consisted of a presentation by each nominee, followed by a question and answer session. The nominees presented their vision, qualifications, and experience, highlighting their suitability for the positions. The committee members critically analyzed the documents of the nominees and considered factors like educational qualifications, mode of presentation, special skills displayed, composure and demeanors, as well as their individual competency experiences relevant to serve as NPC commissioners. Eligibility for appointment as commissioners. The committee, based on the documents presented to it on the three nominees, found that the nominees possessed the minimum educational qualification required for appointment as commissioners. The committee, as at the time of the screening exercise, has not received any criminal or any incriminating report against any of the nominees from either the Nigerian Police Force or Department of State Security Service. The committee has received and perused all the 3 years tax clearance certificates, acknowledgement slips, code of conduct bureau, and the three nominees. On the three nominees, of course, including their NYC certificates. We had to see all these things, Mr. President. Report of the hearing for confirmation. The committee found the following facts about the nominees. They are stated in the body of the report: their CVs, their educational qualifications, and their work experience. They're all stated there, including their NYC, where they served. If you go through that, you will see the detailed career profiles for these three nominees, what they have done before. We found out that Dr. Kibu Haruna has served as a member of the Federal House of Representatives, representing a federal constituency in Nasarawa State. In response to the questions put to the nominees by members of the committee, they all demonstrated efficient knowledge of Nigerian demography in metropolitan area census data collection and analysis. So they are prepared for the jobs for what they have been nominated for. Observations and findings. The committee, after the screening exercise, deliberated on the nominees' stability for appointment as chairman and commissioners on the board of National Population Commission, and hereby makes the following observations.
Distinguished Chairman.
Yes.
Proceed to the recommendations.
Okay. Thank you. I'm almost there. Based on the screening exercise, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the committee was satisfied with the qualifications and general performance of the nominees. Accordingly, the committee hereby recommends the following nominees for confirmation by the Senate: Dr. Aminu Yusuf, Chairman, Honorable Dr. Joseph Haruna Kibu, Commissioner, Tunga Betara Bularafa, Commissioner. Prayer that the Senate do confirm the nomination of Dr. Aminu Yusuf as Chairman, Honorable Dr. Kibu Joseph Haruna and Tunga Betara Bularafa as Commissioners of the National Population Commission. Conclusion, the screening exercise provided valuable insights into the nominees' qualifications, experience and vision for the National Population Commission. The committee appreciates the Senate leadership and distinguished senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the opportunity given to us to serve in this capacity. We so submit. Thank you, Mr. President.
As Chairman in the National Population Commission, those in favor say aye, and those against say nay. The ayes have it. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate approve the nomination of Kibu Yusuf Haruna, representing Nasarawa State, for appointment as Commissioner in the National Population Commission? Those in favor say aye, those against say nay. The ayes have it. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate approve the nomination of Tonga Bechara Bularawa, representing Yobe State, for appointment as Commissioner in the National Population Commission? Those in favor say aye, those against say nay. The ayes have it. Accordingly, the appointment of Dr. Aminu Yusuf as Chairman, Kibu Yusuf Haruna as Commissioner, and Tonga Betera Bularafa as Commissioner. The appointments are hereby approved. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President,
In the Committee of the Whole, consider the report of the Committee on National Identity Card and Population on the screening of Mr. President nominees for appointments as Chairman and Commissioners of the National Population Commission, NPC, and approve the nominations of Dr. Aminu Yusuf as Chairman from Niger State, Honorable Dr. Kibu Yusuf Haruna as Commissioner from Nasarawa State, and Dr. Tonga Betera Bularafa as Commissioner from Yobe State, all as Chairman and Commissioners accordingly. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Dr. Aminu Yusuf, representing Niger State, for appointment as Chairman in the National Population Commission? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Accordingly, the nomination of Dr. Aminu Yusuf, representing Niger State, is hereby confirmed as Chairman in the National Population Commission. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Kibu Joseph Haruna, representing Nasarawa State, for appointment as a Commissioner in the National Population Commission? Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Accordingly, the nomination of Kibu Joseph Haruna, representing Nasarawa State, is hereby confirmed as Commissioner in the National Population Commission. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Tonga Betara Bularafa, representing Yobe State, for appointment as a Commissioner in the National Population Commission? Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Accordingly, the nomination of Tonga Betara Bularafa, representing Yobe State, is hereby confirmed as a Commissioner in the National Population Commission. Let me thank the Chairman and members of the Committee on National Identity Card and Population on the speedy screening and presentation of the report to the Senate for consideration. and thank all my distinguished colleagues for their contributions and wish the confirmed nominees well in their new endeavor. May they have the wisdom from Almighty God to add value to Nigeria. Population census is a very, very dicey thing. It helps in all facets of planning for a nation. And it also helps us to actually know the number that we are. Those who failed in the past, may their failure help them to succeed where others tried and failed. I congratulate you and your families, and I wish you well. I congratulate also Mr. President for fishing out people of proven integrity. Thank you, my colleagues, for your contributions. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. Senate President,